How to change notification sound on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. By default set the notification sound. To change it, open the app drawer. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to sound and vibration. Tap on it. Now again scroll down. Here you can find the default notification sound option. Tap on it. You can see list of different category: pixel sounds, sound meters, jams. You can see list of different category available for notification sound. Just select the any notification. Here we select this and tap on a save button to set the default notification sound. If you want to set a custom notification sound, again tap on a default notification sound, my sounds. Tap the plus icon from the bottom right corner. Now choose the default notification sound or any MP3 file or any audio file from your phone, and you can set as a default notification sound. When you select, just select the any audio file or notification on your device. If available any audio file, just select it. When you select the any audio file, you can see this audio file on your custom settings. When you choose the any sound, you can find it in this list. Just choose the that and tap on a save at the top right corner to save custom notification sound on your Pixel 9 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.